Hey guys, I'm Amber Maria, and today I'm going to show you how to do a nighttime routine with short, type 4 natural hair. The first thing that you need are these scrunchies. You can get them from Amazon. I believe like a pack of 60 something is like $12. So I have a whole pack of them here. Next, you'll need a scarf or a bonnet. I still happen to have both, but I'll be using my bonnet for the sake of this video. So the first thing I do is separate my hair from the back and the front. I just go ahead and separate it, being gentle with my curls. Now that I have it separated so I can see, then I'm going to take like this first section, and because I want my hair to be kind of in my face whenever I take it down, I'm going to be sure to pull it this way. And just wrapping it around the hair, not too tight, because obviously we don't want breakage, but enough. Now I'll continue to do it in like little sections like this. Like that. Wrap it. Now if you have longer hair, the pineapple method will work well for you. It's just my hair, it doesn't like the pineapple method. It doesn't like it, and I stopped arguing with it. I just said okay. Now that I have them kind of like separated, I go back in and I try to tuck them if they are like a little too long. So this one is a little too long, so I just tucked it. This one I'll do the same thing. You just kind of take it and I just tuck it like that. That's it. And that's just so whenever I go to sleep, they are somewhat, protected. They're not just like smushed all the way. You don't have to do this. That's why I didn't mention it before, but I personally like to do it. Same thing, gently tuck it. And again, you don't want them too tight because you don't want that indentation to happen. All right. Super cute, right? I know. Lastly, what I like to do is oil my scalp. This is Curls Blueberry and Mint Scalp Treatment. It's good for stimulating hair growth. I'm trying to go quickly because my camera batteries. Okay, so there's like a little few drops here, especially on my edges. My edges have been struggling a lot lately. I haven't been taking care of them like I need to, excuse me. So I understand why they are in a bad mood right now. So just like massaging that in as much as I can. Okay. Now I take my scarf. I don't have my edge scarf. I don't know where it's at. So I'm just going to fold this into like a very, 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 very small rectangle so I can put it along my edges. I don't know what I do with my edge scarf. I know I may look a little crazy, but it's just me here. Me and my cat who is sleeping. There is Mr. Bubbles. Bubbles? Bubbles? There you go. You see my baby? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to wake you up. Anyway, get to my giant bonnet. I like the big bonnets because my hair has more room to kind of be itself. And just kind of put it on top. And that's it. I'm going to go to sleep and I'll be back in the morning so you guys can see it. Then I just massage it. And that's it. Hey guys, it is the next morning. Your girl is a little tired and I definitely have crud in my eye. But anyway, I'm first going to take out my products I use for my wash and go. If you want to know how I achieve this wash and go, it is a 7-day wash and go. Be sure to click on the icon link above. Anyway, I'm then going to gently take down the scrunchies. I am moving kind of quickly because I didn't want this video to be too long. But on my hands, before I took the scrunchies out, I did put water and a little bit of the product on my hand just to make sure it's moisturized. Then I just fluff it out, take off my scarf. Now in the front, I did have to refresh it a little bit because it was a little frizzy and you do see some flakes, but that's because again, this is kind of an older wash and go, but it still looks good. But that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Peace.